So hello and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will uncard the 1980 Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Rallye, and this is from Boulevard Mix 4 of 2025, and the overall Boulevard number is #131, and it's a really nice casting, and this is a brand new casting for this year. So let's just first uncard it and we'll get the review next. Alright, so here we have it out of the blister, and let's take a closer look at this. So on first look, it is a very nice casting. So talking about the decals of this casting, I really like the front details. We have a fully lit headlight, and the Mercedes logo looks really well. We have some decals on the hood, and the hood is actually painted black, and we have a Motul 80 racing number decal on both sides and on the top roof, and on the back we have license plate details as well as tail light details, and the license plate says Rally SLC, the name of the car, and we get the side view mirrors. Yeah, it looks good. We have some more details on the fenders. The license plate is on the front as well, and for the color it has the signature Mercedes silver color, but it has this little bit of bluish tint to it. And for the base is black and metal, and the wheels are Real Riders European wheels with the grey trim, so it really complements the entire casting really well. So a very nice casting. One more thing, this has a little bit of a roll cage inside. It's part of the interior, I guess. This is a very fantastic casting, absolutely good. And the newer castings in the Boulevard set from Hot Wheels are actually being made really well. So this was one of those great castings. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this 1980 Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Rallye? It's a proper vintage rally racing casting done by Hot Wheels. And don't forget to watch other castings from this Boulevard Mix 4 set as well. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos like this. Thank you.